Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about my reusable makeup wipes. What are they, you ask? Well, they are my most popular product in the shop. You get a pack of 8 little wipes, 2.5 inches square. On one side there's a nice cotton print, and on the other there's either a square of cotton terry or organic bamboo. So mostly used for removing makeup. I put micellar water onto mine. I've got both the cotton terry, which is nice and soft. I use for my face mostly. The organic bamboo is really silky and a lot thinner. I tend to use that for removing makeup around my eyes, so more sensitive areas. A set of 8 because if you're somebody that wears makeup quite a lot, you're going to need more than 1 or 2 in a packet. Yeah, so they're sold as either a pack of 8 of cotton terry, 8 organic bamboo, or 4 of cotton terry and 4 of organic bamboo. When you want to wash them, if you've used them for mascara, I would rinse them out in cold warm water, just to try and get rid of as much of the mascara as possible. It can stain. Pop them in a laundry bag. I haven't any in my shop at present, but I'm hoping that they will be coming soon, simply because they're quite small and I have lost a couple in my washing machine filter. So I have washed them up at 90 because I test everything at the hottest temperature I can on my washing machine. They'll be fine, they'll just shrink a bit more. I tend to wash them mostly between about 30 if they're not that mucky, 40 mostly, and sometimes 60 depending on if I've actually used them for my children. And I know some people use them because they're quite nice, they're more child-sized. For around about your mouth. You can tumble dry them. They will shrink a little if you do tumble dry them, not very much if you do it on a low heat. I tend to line dry them when it's warm in the summer, hang them over a radiator rack when it's in the winter. That's them. I have a little sneak peek of slightly bigger sizes coming. These would be the same with cotton terry or organic bamboo in the same kind of prints, but these are slightly bigger. I think they're 6x4, so more like a face cloth, scrubbing cloth, washcloth. Yeah, so that's it. If anybody has any questions about them, please leave me a message in the comments below, and I will be back again soon with another how to use video. Okay, bye. Thanks for joining me.